Hey, so if you're trying to turn more prospects into customers, yeah, managing leads properly in Zoho CRM is super important. In this guide, I'll show you how to handle leads step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho CRM account and open your main dashboard. Now click on Leads from the top menu. This is where all your potential customers are stored before they become contacts. To add a new lead, click Create Lead and enter details like name, email, company, and phone number. If you already have a list, you can import leads using a CSV or Excel file, so you don't have to add them manually one by one. Next, review your leads and mark them as qualified or unqualified based on interest and potential. You can assign leads to yourself or your sales team so follow-ups happen faster. Yeah, this keeps things moving. Inside each lead, you can track calls, emails, and meetings so you never miss a follow-up. Once a lead is ready, click Convert to turn it into a contact, account, or deal. You can also filter leads by status, source, or time, and use reports to track performance. And yeah, that's it. Managing leads in Zoho CRM becomes really powerful once you follow a proper system.